Hey guys, Couchcraft here. Oh gosh, it just rained. I'm so sad. It's summertime. It should be hot out. But Chris just battery saver, huh? Well, okay. So it just rained. Oh, sorry. And it's summertime. Shouldn't it be hot? Well, it's not. So I'll be meeting up soon in maybe a few weeks with my cousin. We're gonna maybe go down into the woods and I'll make a vlog with that. So, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I look so dark. Holy crap, look at the clouds. They're moving so quick. From real life, like it's moving really quick. Like it's moving like so fast. Holy crap. I've never seen clouds move that quick. Look at those clouds. Seriously. Hope it's gonna be sunny soon. Well, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.